Hey guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to look good out of quarantine. Restrictions are easing a little bit in Australia now and we're finally allowed to go outside. And I don't know about you guys, but I worked out for maybe the first week of quarantine and that was like 3 months ago. Then for the rest of my time, it consisted of binge watching Netflix and eating cereal for dinner. But it's fine, that's just between us. I can slap on some makeup, do my hair, and to the rest of the world, I totally had my life together for all of quarantine. So if you're like me and need to fake it till you make it a little bit coming out of quarantine and want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. So I'm starting off with my hair and I'm doing a voiceover for this part because it's just easier and I don't have to try to talk over my hairdryer. But this is my hair usually. It's pretty good, but a little dry because I haven't had a haircut in like a year, and a bit shaggy. So we're going to fix that. I'm starting off with the Color Wow Dream Filter. This is a pre-cleanse, so it helps get rid of any mineral buildup. Now, a portion of this video is sponsored by Oz Hair and Beauty. I will always be completely transparent with you guys, and as you guys know, I don't work with brands that I don't truly love. So you want to leave this in for 1 to 3 minutes, then I rinse it out with the Color Wow Color Security Shampoo, and then go in with the Color Security Conditioner. Now once my hair is all clean, I love using the Color Wow Coconut Infused Dream Cocktail. It makes my hair so silky soft and really helps it feel more hydrated. So I just work in 2 to 3 pumps, and now it's time for the star of the show. This is the Color Wow Dream Coat. This is like hair magic. It gets rid of any frizz, humidity proofs my hair and conditions my hair, and just gives your hair the most beautiful sheen. I am obsessed. It also lasts around 3 washes. So to apply this, I just section off my hair, spray it liberally, brush it through, and then blow dry my hair, making sure there is tension. Also, just want to add, blow drying my hair here without a mirror is a lot harder than it looks. So appreciate this, guys. But anyway, like I said, this leaves my hair looking so healthy and amazing. The Color Wow range is actually what Chris Appleton used to create Kim Kardashian's iconic Met Gala wet hair look and JLo's flawless 2020 Super Bowl curls, and it's available from Oz Hair and Beauty. See, look at how shiny my hair is. And I'm back to talking. Oh my god, guys, my hair feels so soft right now. Can you see how shiny it is? Whew. And because I don't want to get makeup in my freshly done hair, I'm gonna pin it back. So now we are onto the makeup portion of this video. I'm gonna give you guys a bit of a zoom. Hello. So we are going to do our eyes first today. I want to go for like a quite dramatic smoky eye. We're coming out of quarantine. We have an excuse to like go all out with our makeup now. So I'm going to go in with my Jouer concealer just to prime my eyes and conceal that redness and discoloration. Then we just want to blend that out with our beauty blender. You guys know the drill. Oh man, I have so many bumps under this eyebrow. My eyebrow hairs weren't long enough to pluck them, so I tried to shave them for this video. But now I think I have shaving rash on my eyebrow. I'm just gonna lightly set that powder with this Too Faced banana powder thing, just to stop it from creasing. So for this eyeshadow look, I think I want to use the Sigma Core de Rosa palette. I've got hair in my mouth. I don't think I've used this on my channel yet. If I haven't, I really, really like it, guys. Sigma has just been nailing eyeshadow palettes lately. I'm gonna start off with Apricot, just on a Sigma E40, yes. And I'm just gonna blend this into my crease as our transition color. Guys, you should leave me a comment and let me know what the lockdown is like in your city. Do you guys still have lockdown? Are things starting to open? In Queensland, we have had no new cases of the virus. We're not saying the C word and getting demonetized. So a lot of places have reopened. I think we're allowed like groups of 20 at places, and our borders have reopened to some of the other states, except for Victoria. Victoria's letting Australia down right now. Next up, I'm gonna go in with Medallion, just on my Sigma E25 brush. And I'm going to blend this into my crease. I have not worn a smoky eye outside since like maybe January, so I'm a bit rusty. It is a crazy year to be alive, I'll say that for sure. So next up, I think I'm gonna go in with Sunsprite, which is this beautiful sort of like an antique gold color. And I'm just gonna pat this onto this like inner third-ish area. I'm gonna leave the very inner corner bare though, so I do want to put a lighter color there. Then on my very inner corner, I want to take Belle of the Ball. It's like this champagne, but I feel like there's this slight coolness, like cool toneness to it. I'm just gonna pack that right there. Now on this outer corner, I'm gonna take Shakespeare. This is a beautiful like burgundy wine color. Oh, I would love this shade in a lipstick, Sigma, if you're watching. And I'm just gonna pack that right there. I think I underestimated how pigmented this shade was gonna be. It's gonna take me a bit to blend it out, but it's fine. Also, I'm not being particularly neat with edges because I am going to clean it up before doing my base. Now I'm just going to take a blending brush and blend this in. And so I've kind of accidentally blended away that gold color, so I'm just going to go back in with that and reapply. So that is all I'm going to do for eyeshadow for now. Next up, I'm going to take my Kat Von D tattoo liner and just line my top lash line. Sorry, it's KVD Beauty now. I always forget, but you guys know what I mean. Then I'm just going to apply a quick coat of mascara. You'd think being in quarantine, my lashes would be like thriving right now, but it actually just made me really lazy the times that I did wear makeup. So I wouldn't remove my mascara properly and it made my eyelashes snap. But luckily, false lashes exist. So I am gonna add some Ardell Demi Wispies. And lashes are on. Now let's clean up this fallout. I'm just gonna take a cotton pad and some micellar water and just wipe it away. Now let's move on to our base. I've been loving this Good Molecules silicone-free priming moisturizer for my primer lately. I find it just helps my foundation go on really smoothly and helps minimize my pores without any silicone. So I applied way too much to my finger. So I'm just gonna rub that in, maybe work it down my neck a little. Then for foundation today, I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm going to try a darker shade. Normally I use light beige. I'm going to try golden beige today. I have a new fake tan on and I don't know if it's going to match. Wish me luck. I have not seen the sun in a while, along with being in quarantine. It's also winter here in Australia, so I have been fake tanning to make it look like I've actually seen the sun. I think I can make this work. It's a bit golden. We can make it work. We can make it work. Now to highlight and get rid of any dark circles, because I'm sure I'm not the only one whose sleeping pattern went out the window. I have binge watched so much Netflix. I've binge watched The Order, Snowpiercer, The Sinner, and I'm also moving soon, so that has contributed to my stress and not sleeping. But it's fine because we have concealer, guys. So I'm just gonna plop some on under my eyes. You know, we want to make it look like we have been thriving with our social distancing. We did our at-home workouts every day. We meal prepped, sorted out our finances. We did not binge watch Netflix and eat cereal for dinner 3 times a week. At least that's what we're going to look like. Okay, so to set the concealer to make sure it doesn't crease and just to like brighten up our under eyes a little bit, I'm gonna go back in with that Too Faced banana powder. Just pat that on. Then to set my foundation to make sure it lasts and doesn't crease, I'm just going to use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural and brush this on. It's funny, our nightclubs are about to open here. Not that I go to nightclubs anymore, but still, they're opening under the condition that everyone has to remain seated and 1.5 meters apart. I can see that going so well for nightclubs. Now I'm actually going to contour today. Who remembers the Anastasia contour kit? I'm going to take Fawn and just use it to contour. I have put on a few kilos during quarantine, the quarantine kilos. Quarantine kilos? Because my diet mostly consisted of cereal and chocolate. But it's fine, like these are crazy time, guys. Just contour away that double chin. It's fine. So now for bronzer, we want to go for that like tropical vacay vibes, you know, we've been in the sun relaxing in Fiji, the Bahamas, not on our couch in our pajamas. So I'm gonna take some of this Jouer bronzer. This is the medium to deep duo. This shade is called Sunkissed too. How fitting. And we just want to bronze up the perimeter of our face. Next for blush, we want that lightly flushed, full of life look, right? Because we've been exercising every day, not binge watching The Sinner. So I'm gonna take this Sephora blush in Kahlua Beach. I thought that was an alcohol. And I'm just going to put it on the very highest points of my cheeks. Then for highlighter, because we obviously want that healthy, radiant glow from all the fruit and vegetables we've been eating. My cereal actually has dried fruit in it, and you know, chocolate's an antioxidant, so it's basically a vegetable. I'm gonna take Here Kitty Kitty by Colourpop. Just apply this to the high points of my face and under my eyebrow, just to, you know, highlight under there. And so that is our healthy, radiant, glowing skin done. Let's finish off our eyes. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna go back in with Apricot, just on a pencil brush. And I'm just gonna smudge this under my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna take Medallion and just go over the top of it, but keep it really close to the lashes. And then I'm gonna dip into Shakespeare and just concentrate on that outer corner, connecting it to our top eyeshadow. I'm also just going to reapply a little bit of Belle of the Ball just into that inner corner, just there. Then we want to finish off with some mascara. Whoop, why am I trying to open it upside down? Now for eyebrows, I think I'm just going to jump off camera to do this because it hasn't changed in like 2 years. I'm just going to use my Sigma Fill and Blend pencil and my Benefit 24-hour brow setter, and I'll be right back. I'm back! So now all we have left to do is our lips. I'm going to start off by lining them with the Wet n Wild lip liner in Bear to Comment. It's just a nice affordable nude. And then for my lip color, I've really been loving this Sigma lip gloss lately. This is in the shade Lilac Wine. It's like a beautiful your lip color but better, and it's super sparkly. I do wish the applicator was a doe foot though, but what you gonna do about it? And so here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you guys are staying safe wherever in the world you are. Hopefully quarantine lifts soon, and hopefully we like get ahead of this whole pandemic thing. But in the meantime, stay safe. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!